Welcome back, guys. Hope you're having a great day, hope you're having a great week, and hope you're having a great month. Today we are looking to change these Jordan 1 metallic purples into something special for the bro. So it's about that time where we do another custom on this channel for the bro this time, because this is going to be extra special, hopefully in time for Christmas. But before we go and look at that custom, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation, let's break this down, and let's get those sneakers for retail. But today we are going to look at doing the custom for the Jordan 1 metallic purple. Absolutely beautiful sneaker as it is, but the bro wants something special for this, and let's see how we do this. So first off, what we're going to do is acetone the sneaker where we want to change the color, and then tape it off. So let's go and see how that's done. So the preparation of the sneaker is complete, and here you go, bang bang. As you can see, this is all masked off, all the areas, the sole, the front panels, except for everything I'm spraying, which is that top panel and that back panel here. That is going to be turned to purple, and then we are going to remask and paint in stuff in hand, because it's all black. Black covers everything. So we're going to go and do this and bring this and prep this up and complete this to a point where it's almost complete. And then the last thing we're going to do is put the wings logo in and then mat the sneaker up. But before that, let's go and paint this sneaker. So we're nearly done. We're almost there, guys. We are nearly done with this custom. We've turned the metallic purple ones into bang bang. This is the new Jordan 1 Court Purple Black Toe. I know the Court Purple toe is already out, but this is the black toe version of that. As you can see, we've hit the back panels with that purple all the way through, and then we blacked out the purple, metallic purple. This was the hardest thing to kind of do. This was the hardest thing to remove, is that actual metallic finish. And then this tab is black as well, as you can see, and then all the way down this toe is that black toe vibe. This is nearly done. All I need to do to this now is actually put some scratch resistant paint and some finisher on it, some matte finish to go, and this sneaker is done. The hardest thing I had to do with this sneaker was to actually do the detailing in between here, in between there, get the lining all detailed in, and then other than that is pretty much putting these white lines through here and that additional white line through there. That additional touch makes it so good, and this is all about the detailing, the sneakers and the customs. To make it that upper tier sneaker, you have to go in and do the detailing. So this is what we got so far. The next step is to matte this sneaker out and give it that finish, that factory finish, guys. So let's go and do that. Custom is done. So bang bang, here you have it. This is the Jordan 1 Black Toe Court Purple. Look at that, it is done. It started off being the Jordan 1 metallic purples, but then you can see we transformed just that purple at the back here and in the little mid panels here, and then transformed this into the Court Purple Black Toes. This is like the third. I wouldn't be surprised if Jordan brand released a sneaker like this, but this is the custom for the Black Toe Court Purples, as you can see all the way through. And this is looking good. This is looking good. It brightens up in the camera, as you can see, because of the light, but this is a constant finish to it. This is what spray painting does to, this is basically not spray painting, but this is what airbrushing does to the sneaker. It literally gives it that kind of factory finish. And then obviously when you do your matte finish, you got to add some duller in, and I added another layer of resistance, which is a scratch proof paint. So the artwork for this, if you are doing artwork on sneakers, the paint job for this will hold up, and that's the most important thing, guys. Look at that. And as you can see, both sides are done. Here you are, guys, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's looking great. It's looking great. I can't wait for the bro to grab it. I can't wait for the bro to wear it. This is going to be a very nice sneaker, and I'm pretty sure he'd be happy with it. It is got that factory finish to it, especially the combination you have to do to get that factory finish. But that purple wraps around the back of this sneaker, and then everything that was purple is now black, including that tick. That tick is black. and then you've got that black toe at the front. So this is what he wanted, and this is how we actually envisioned the sneaker. So I'm glad I can pull it off. This is looking really good, and to be honest, this is not in the market at the moment, so he can wear a sneaker that nobody else has got, and he can rock it, and nobody else is actually rocking a sneaker like this, especially with that velvety silk inlining, leather tongue, and all of this is still the original sneaker, but then you've got that court purple all the way around this. Absolutely beautiful. This is a beautiful sneaker. I'm glad I could put the vision down on the sneaker, and it came out really well. This is his vision. Obviously the black toe court purple does not exist, so he wanted something that he could rock that nobody else has got. But I kind of did the sneaker so that I could actually get my kind of perfection on this sneaker, so that, you know, he can rock it, he can love it. And once I'm happy with the sneaker, and once I'm done with the sneaker, it has to be perfect, and that's when I give it to somebody. But this is, like I said, the black toe court purple. So what we do on this channel, we are going to give you the front perspective, that back perspective, that lateral side, that medial side, and that sole. And let's give that sneaker a twirl. This is the custom twirl today. Look at that beautiful sneaker. And I hope Jordan don't release this anytime soon, because you know what, damn, if they released a model like this, it will sell out. This is a great sneaker. The bro wanted it, I got it done, and it looks fantastic. So bro, this coming to you, but join me as we are going to do another custom video is coming real soon, because we are going to produce a sneaker that hasn't been re-released again, that is quite old and is very expensive, and the bro wants it, so we're going to get it done. And trust me, you need to join in that one, because it's going to be amazing. So thank you for coming through. Thank you for always showing love and coming through with comments. Because of you guys, we are spreading, we are growing, and it's amazing. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. But until next time, hope you're having an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. Catch the next custom, guys. I'm telling you, catch the next custom. So I hope you cop the sneakers like, because you all deserve to get the sneakers you want. So for me, TJ at LoveKicksCustoms, peace out, guys.